to my channel Admirable Mini Art and Craft. So today I am back with a new video. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make easy DIY wall hanging piece for Diwali decoration. So let's get started with the procedure. But before starting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications. So let's get started with the procedure without any delay. And now take here one, and we will make it like this wall hanging. I have made here soup, so I will tell you how to make a one wall hanging. So take here one spoon and one paintbrush and one green one acrylic paint. You can also use poster colors as well, and just color up the upper part of the spoon. And like this. Now let it dry for some time. Now take here a piece of cardboard and compass, and measure 5 centimeter on the compass, pencil and compass, and just draw a circle. किसका फोन था? And just cut it like this. You can also use the waste CD available at your home instead of the cardboard piece. Now for writing the love, you are required here with one pink color glitter sheet of circle, 3 centimeter radius, and a long ball chain and a liquid glue. So write frequently here, write a love, and just and now start adding this ball chain over the fevicol. Similarly, do the process follow. And now it will look like this after sticking. And after this, take here one piece of foam sheet of red color and circle with the same size, 5 centimeter, and stick it on the cardboard piece using hot glue gun, and just trim off the excess cardboard. After that, take here a piece of square paper 5 by 5 centimeter and just fold into half, then into another half, and just keep your thumb in the center and fold it like this, and using your pencil make here a petal shape, small size, and just cut it. Now take back your spoon which is colored. Now it is completely dried. Now just cut it from here. Carefully just cut it. And now see. Now take here and just add glue gun to its back portion like this and stick it here. See it? And I have sticked here around 10 to 11 pieces of spoon, and I have colored it with the green shade as compared with the red color. Now take here a glue gun and just add glue gun to the letter 1 sheet and just stick it in the center carefully and properly. Now take here some flowers as I have told you to make, and take here around 6 to 7 pieces of flowers and just stick it on the boundary like this. These flowers give and add a good look to this wall hanging. You can also stick the piece of lace or any other crystal thing around this. Like this. And this shape will look good when it will regain its shape after drying. Now we will make some jhumkas to add it in the bottom of the wall hanging. So like this we will create it, and take here a needle and with the inserted thread and one artificial rose. You can also make the rose using paper at your home which is not available at your home, and insert it like this and insert some 6 to 7 pearls inside the middle to make jhumkas or flowers like this. So I have inserted 7 pearls inside this, and just remove it from the thread and just keep it aside and secure the end using hot glue gun. And just roll it like this so that it can be steamed properly. Now just turn it back like this and stick both the pieces together. Like this. It will look like this after attaching the jhumkas at the last and then, and after that take here a piece of ribbon and just secure its end together to make a closer, and just like this you secure and add little glue gun to the top to stick the ribbon. So see how beautiful they are looking, and I have attached some pearls living gaps, and now see how beautiful they are looking. I hope you all will like the video most, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon. And you can try these at your home, as Diwali is on the coming dates, so must try these for your home to make your home beautiful. So thank you, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.